Gamer here. Well, I said that fast. We are going to be exploding things. We already exploded some stuff over here, which was pretty funny. Grace made a little safety house. Yeah, it's like really tiny. It worked kind of ish. That's not a good idea, Grace, because now you are kind of stuck. Okay. Okay, well, we are going to be exploding somewhere else around here. Over here, probably. Yes, we will do it over here. I need to get more TNT. Grace has been exploded like a million times because she is stupid enough to go in the hole and explode herself.
I'm gonna put my flint.
Have you got a flint and steel? Don't get anything else but flint and steel. Because you're gonna use all the iron.
I have flint and steel.
Okay, well, we have got our safety boots.
I don't.
Well, she doesn't have her safety boots. We are going to explode 10 TNTs. One.
Are they 10? Is that 10?
Yes. Hey! You idiot.
Did I?
No. You're lucky that I didn't die.
Experience!
Oh my god. You are such an idiot. You're lucky I didn't die. Oh, we found a cave. Oh my god, you are so mean. Why did you do that to me?
No.
Oh my god, guys. Comment, like this video if you would have killed her just then. You're lucky I'm nice. Well, nice-ish. What am I doing? Getting TNT. If you had have killed me, I would have just... Let's explode 15. You kill me, I'm gonna... Oh no, she's got TNT. This is gonna end very badly. Do it in the hole. Do it in the hole.
No, you didn't.
That was really funny.
Water.
Did you die?
Talking about water.
Did you die?
Yes.
Oh.
You made my flint and steel explode. You're a crazy
Well,
woman. I wasn't finished.
Go and find your
And you
stuff.
made my boots explode. Thanks to you. I kind of bursted into a cave.
Did you die though, or
Yes.
I wasn't sure if you died or if.
Then you hear
Okay, no more exploding people.
Yeah, thanks.
I just gave you payback because you exploded me. Stop! You can put the last TNT on, okay?
Yay. But then you have to give me flint
Hey.
and steel.
Put the TNT up there. Somewhere. Okay. Are you ready?
Wait, no.
Do you want to get exploded? Stop! Oh, wow.
Fill me up. No.
Oops! I almost just killed myself.
You killed me.
I had half a heart left, I think.
Bye-bye. I need to make loads of flint and steel this time.
No! Because you're going to lose it all.
There's only 2 left anyway. I can't be bothered.
Oh my gosh. Comment down below if you think she's very stupid.
Wait. I got TNT and flint and steel.
Oh no, she's got TNT and plated steel. This is going to go very badly. Oh, you're going to fill yourself up. Why are you getting closer and closer to the chest? Oh, shat. Stop it now. Not so close to the stuff. Oh wow, you killed a cow.
No!
I want the cow.
I want the experience and all the dirt.
How much experience have you got right now?
None. I want the coal of being a better.
Wow, there's lava, Grace. There is lava.
Huh?
There is lava here.
I exploded to lava. Just wait a second here. Have this. I have a present for you, so I can't mess with it again.
Is that about to catch on fire? Yeah. Grace, don't have more than one flint and steel.
I only had one.
Well, if you're gonna jump in things, have none.
I gave it to you.
That was the only one you had.
Yes.
Well, if you're gonna jump in things from now on, leave it in the chest.
Best ending ever.
Okay. Grace, did you just fart?
No, but I'm holding my nose.
Ew.
I need the toilet. It's not a fart.
Oh my gosh. You know, like, everyone can see this, Grace? Well, while she's gone, so there's no, like, things that happen between me and her, I'm going to place these down, like, now. Actually, the reason I put that TNT there was because I was going to see... Where was that lava? It's down here. Yeah, how did it turn into water, or was it not down there? I don't know. I wanted to see if, actually, I think we blew past the lava. Oh no, there it is. I wanted to see if there'd be more lava or something. Nice. Oh. I hope it doesn't just randomly explode. Okay. It's fun exploding things. Yay, we got more flint. Wow, Grace is back on, isn't she? Oh no. Ooh! I didn't want to fall down there. Okay, let's just, guys, if TNT is exploding and stuff, always, like, hide in water or something, because TNT can't explode in the water. Let's go for 20. Let's go, like, a while away. One, so Grace can't find me and explode me. And two, because I think it will be very big. We'll go like here. Oh, this is a nice place. Now, Grace, do not explode me when you find me because I have a lot of things.
Jamie.
What do you want? What do you want?
Are you talking to someone?
No, I'm talking to you.
Can we turn it to creative for a little bit?
Why?
For a reason.
Why? What's the reason?
I need to do something.
What?
I'll do it, or I'll just die in lava again and again and again. Have feel the chat. Please.
That was 20. Grace, that was 20.
I don't know where.
Grace, that was 20. I've got 2 experience.
I'm lost.
No, you're not. Where are you? At the house or whatever? Not the a house? We don't have a house.
The starting point.
Yeah, just stay there. I went far away so they didn't explode that area. Well, it's not very far, but yes.
I need flint. Oh no, there's my flint and steel.
Where was I? I think I just lost myself. I'm just gonna go
What
this
the
way.
heck?
What?
I
What
only have
happened?
one flint and steel.
Here it is.
I don't have any.
Oh my god, this isn't the place that I was thinking about, but there's a lot of lava.
Found you.
There's like a lot of lava here, Grace. Wanna explode this
And
place?
guess what's the surprise that I have for you?
What?
Flint
And steel?
and
Uh-oh.
mix and match.
Don't,
What's
Thingy.
the 20 thing?
don't explode yourself. Okay? Unless you don't have flint.
I have TNT. I have 10 pieces of TNT.
I'm so lucky I just didn't fall into the lava.
What?
Don't come down this hole, stay there. Don't explode anything. What?
Nothing? I did not fall down the hole.
And you are getting up by yourself.
Don't worry, just wait.
How did you fall down over there? Where were you? Be right back, guys. One. Okay. Oh my god, really? Wow. Really? It won't jump for some reason.
Three,
Huh?
2, 1. And
Go. Run. Explosion. Wow. I like getting blown up. Well, I like blowing things up.
don't blow me up.
Okay, we're gonna have a big finale at the ending. It's gonna be fabulous.
No.
Yes. Ta-da! Bye, guys.
Experience.